Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these beautiful quilling flowers in 6 different styles with their matching quilling buds. Are they looking very pretty? So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need silicone glue, half cut pearl, any flower punch, quilling mold, pencil, quilling tool, liquid glue, scissor, some 2 mm quilling strips. I am using these strips from Quilling Hub, and also we will be needed some multicolored 3 mm quilling strips. They have lots of variety in all sizes and the colors are very vibrant and quality of strip is also very nice. So I have given link in description box if you want to purchase this. Now I am starting with my first flower. This is the beautiful rose. For this we will be needed 4 colors of strips, and I am starting with my first petal. For this I am taking one strip of white color and making one tight teardrop shape. For this rose I am using only 2 mm strips. Now I am taking my quilling mold and making a dome shape. Add little glue, and we needed 3 these type of shapes. Now for the next shape I am taking 1½ strip of baby pink color and making one tight teardrop. So we need total 5 shapes. Now for the next color I am taking 2 strips of dark pink color and making one tight teardrop. And we need total 6 petals. And for the next color I am taking 2½ strip of wine color and making one tight teardrop again. And we need total 7 petals. Now here I am taking one piece of paper and adding my silicone glue. This is RTV silicone rubber adhesive. It gives you very nice base if you want to create 3D flower. I have given link for all the material in description box. You can purchase from those links. I am taking a piece of wire and spreading the glue evenly. And now I will start making my rose. So I am starting with the center part and adding these beautiful cute white color petals first. And then I will add other layers one by one. So while adding each petal I am just shaping it using my quilling mold to make a little dome shape. It will give you very nice cuppy rose shape. And our beautiful rose is ready. Allow it to dry for 1 day completely. And here I have created total 3 roses and 2 small roses. For small rose I have added only 3 layers. Now I kept this rose for 1 day to dry completely, and now I will show you how to cut the excess paper. So after drying you can just cut the paper from the bottom. and the flower is ready to use. In the same way I will cut this flower after drying. Now I am showing you how to create bud for the rose. So here I have created 3 petals using 1 strip of baby pink color, and I have created tight teardrop domes. Now I am taking this tight coil which is made using 1 strip of 5 mm. Just insert one pencil through this and create a cone. Then insert one wired pollen through this. And I will add 3 petals like this. And the bud is ready. In the same way I have created 1 more baby pink and 2 dark pink color buds. Now I am starting with the second flower. So first I am taking half strip of light blue color and making one teardrop shape. In the same way I have created 1 more, and these 3 teardrops are made using half strip of dark blue. So I am joining all 5 petals together alternatively. And wrapping this whole bunch using dark blue color strip. Trust me, I just love these colors of all the quilling strips, and you must try these strips from the Quilling Hub by Moksha. You will gonna love it, I'm sure. Now I am taking silicone glue on blue color paper and I am arranging my flowers like this. And for the center of the flower I am taking half cut pearl. In the same way we need 3 big flowers, and for the smaller flower I have added only 3 shapes for 1 petal. So this is done. Now to create filler flower, for this I am taking flower punch. I have just punched blue color paper, and now using groove golf tool I am shaping it. You can also use small ball tool to shape. Pinching from back side using ball tool and inserting one wired pollen through this. Just secure it using little glue and the filler flower is ready. Super easy. Now I am proceeding to the third flower, my most favorite shape of quilling, that is Malaysian petal flower. For this I am taking 1 strip of peach color and 1/4 strip of red color and making one Malaysian flower petal. I am wrapping this petal using red color strip. Like this. So we need total 10 petals. Now for the center part of flower I am taking 1 strip of yellow color. This is 10 mm strip, folding it twice, and now using scissor I am just cutting small fringes. So this is done, and now taking my quilling tool and making a fringe flower. Just secure the end and open all the fringes. So the center of the flower is ready. Now taking one piece of yellow color paper and adding silicone glue on this. Again using my wire to spread the glue evenly. And then I will start adding the center first, and around it I will add all my petals. So the flower is ready. Allow it to dry completely for 1 day. In the same way, we need total 3 big flowers. And I have also prepared 2 small flowers by adding 7 petals, and for the center I have added half cut pearl. For this also I have used silicone glue. Now I am showing you how to create filler flower for this. So I am taking half strip of dark green 3 mm and creating one cone shape. Then insert one wired pollen through this. Fill the glue inside the cone, and I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color 7 mm. I have already cut the fringes on this strip. So again creating one small fringe flower. Open the fringes, and I will stick this flower on top of the cone. And the cute bud is ready. Now I am proceeding to the 4th flower, this beautiful purple shade flower. So I am starting with the light purple petal. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of light purple and creating a pointed teardrop shape. For all the flowers I am using 3 mm strips, and for the bigger petal I am taking half strip of medium purple and again creating a pointed teardrop shape. So we need both the petals in 14 quantity. Now I am taking one purple color paper, adding silicone glue. So first I am adding my outer row using medium purple color petals, and then I will add the inner row. For the center of the flower I am using this flower thread pollens. These are pointed pollens. In the same way we need 3 flowers, and for the smaller flower I have used these light purple and dark purple color petals and added half cut pearl in the center. Now I am starting with making the bud. So I am taking half strip of medium purple color, making one pointed teardrop shape, and then I am taking 1/3 strip of light purple and again creating a pointed teardrop shape. We need 2 these type of light purple, and then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color, just folding it from center, add little glue on the top and connect these 3 petals. So the bud is ready. In the same way we need total 4 buds. Now I am starting with the 5th flower, this lovely white flower. For this I am taking half strip of light brown color and making one leaf shape. Then I am taking half strip of white color and making one semicircle. In the same way we need one more semicircle. Now I am joining 3 petals together and wrapping it using white color strip. So in total I am using 7 petals. I have used white color square, added silicone glue, and now I will start adding my petals one by one. Now for the center of the flower I am using these pink color micro bead pearls. Just sprinkle the pearls in the center. Already you have silicone glue in the center, so the small pearls will stick to this. Just adjust the shape using wire or any pointed thing, and the cute flower is ready. So we need 3 big flowers, and for the smaller flower I have used 6 petals and added half cut pearl in the center. Now I am showing you how to create bud for this. So I have prepared this tight coil using half strip of light pink color 3 mm, and this tight coil is made using 1/4 strip of sap green 3 mm. So I have just created a cone, insert one wired pollen through this, add glue, and using this pink color tight coil I have created a dome and just connect with the cone, and your bud is ready. Now I am starting with the 6th, that is the last flower. These are super easy. I am just taking one strip of yellow color and making one tight teardrop shape. And for the center I am taking half strip of medium pink color 2 mm and making a tight coil. Then taking little silicone glue on yellow paper, adding all my 4 petals and the center. And the flower is ready. Here I am not creating bud because these are very tiny flowers, so maybe I will use directly these wired pollens as a filler. So all my 6 different styles of beautiful quilling flowers are ready with their matching buds, and you can just ready with this. I will see you in the next part where I will show you how to create leaves and how you can arrange these flowers on the wreath. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.